In this video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust nose pads on Ray-Bans. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how you can adjust the nose pads on any Ray-Bans that you own. So I'm going to be talking about how to do it depending on the model that you have and some considerations. So the easiest nose pads to adjust are going to be these ones held together by these metal clips. In this case, if you have metal frames with adjustable nose pads, which are the most common for metal Ray-Bans, it's as simple as pinching them and slowly bending them back into shape. So if your glasses are sliding down, gently push the nose pads closer together. This will make them more secure when you position the glasses on your face and consequently they touch your nose. So use your thumbs and forefingers to squeeze the metal arms a tiny bit at a time. This will make the glasses sit higher on your nose and create a slightly tighter fit. For glasses pinching or sitting too high, so you need to lower them or make them looser, gently pull the nose pads slightly further apart. So this will make the glasses fit better on your face and they won't squeeze your nose as much, so it will give you a slightly looser fit. If your glasses are crooked, so one side is higher than the other, identify which nose pad needs adjusting. If the right side of your glasses is sitting too high, you need to move the left pad further away from the frame, or the right one closer depending on what is causing the tilt. Make very small symmetrical adjustments to both pads until the frame sits level on your face. So make sure that they are properly leveled and angled. Now, if you have different models that don't have these metal frames that can be easily bent, and you have something like this, which is hard plastic, then this is going to be a little bit more difficult. For these sorts of frames, you will most likely have to heat up the pads and slowly and extremely gently bend them back into shape. Because they are fixed in a certain position, bending them can be quite tricky and also risky. Make sure that you do not snap these parts off. So heat up the plastic and try to slowly but surely get them into a position that fits more comfortably on your face. I hope I was able to help you on how to adjust nose pads on Ray-Bans. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.